6 or 8 months ago, I made a video about my Hisense Dehumidifier that has been ignored, sitting in the basement for years. And I don't know, it's getting a lot of views and some response, so I figured I'd elaborate on it a little bit. First of all, my dad actually bought it because, well, he owns the house, and it's kind of wet down here. The basement has always been a little bit damp, and since I put this down here, it's just seemed very, very dry. So I don't know, it seemed like a good machine to do a video on, so that's what I did. Now the reservoir, when I first installed this thing, was filling up about every 8 hours. I mean, this reservoir was constantly filling up with water, which means that this thing did a good job. If you notice, the machine actually automatically cuts off when I take out the reservoir, which is handy. The hose that I attached goes all the way out the back door, and I made a little hole in the door itself so that the water will automatically drip out. It's got normal, continuous, and auto modes. I didn't look up what those modes mean. I turned it on to normal, and I turned it on to low, and that's basically where it's been for years. The filter monitor, every now and then I'll just check, make sure that light is off, although I've never looked that up to see what it means. It's basically been an extremely low maintenance machine. It's amazing. I've really done nothing to it, and there is a constant drip, this hose, outside of my house. So that's why I went ahead and made the initial video about this machine, because it is it's a tank. It never stops. When the power goes out, of course, it turns off, and it just clicks itself right back on again when the power comes on. So I don't even have to re-turn it on or ever come down here. So so there you have it. I have the manual around here somewhere. Don't remember exactly where I put it. There it is. If you want to screenshot the manual, I'll just look it over for you real quick. All kinds of different stuff that it does. It's the DH35K1SJE5 is the model. And you know, I would totally recommend this thing. I mean, seriously, it's a beast. And it never turns off unless I want it to. I have it, I don't know if this makes a difference or not. I have it directly plugged into the wall, so it's hardwired right into the wall. That's just to say it's not connected to an extension cord. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but it's information. I'll get this back a little bit, so if you want to screenshot the manual, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. It's got all kinds of little, you know, I've never actually looked at this manual before. How bad is that? This setup was easy. I just kind of threw it together and noticed the bin was filling up really fast, and I saw a little spot where you can stick a hose, so I stuck a hose there, and I have it off the ground just a little bit. Somebody told me I was supposed to do that, so I don't know. It's actually on a cardboard box there, which I guess is a good setup. But anyway, I'm happy with it. So if you have any wisdom or insight you want to share on the Hisense Dehumidifier, please feel free to do so. I'd like to hear what you have to say. If you're a fan, or if you absolutely hate it. I don't know. I'd just like to know what you think. So, thanks for watching. Y'all have an absolutely wonderful day. Like and subscribe and all that other YouTube stuff. And I'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye. Hello. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, if you could like and subscribe, that would be lovely. Thank you, and have a nice day.